Hello parents. The virtual team would like to express that we had a wonderful first 2 days of school. Although the first 2 days of assignments were all about getting to know the students, we will begin next week with academics, setting the tone for rigorous work. As for attendance, the county has mandated that students only be marked present if they attend the 1-hour Zoom in the morning and also complete one assignment on Google Classroom. As a team, we had decided that we will name the assignment Check-In. Once students attend the Zoom and then complete the check-in assignment, we can send attendance to the front office. For Zoom expectations, here are the rules we would like to set into place. Be on time. Make sure that you're early so that you don't have to worry about being late. Please always mute your audio. We have way too many kids in these Zoom meetings, so if we're not muting our audio, then we're hearing way too much background noise, and it's hard to focus. Please have your child keep their camera on at all times so that we know they're there. For lower grades K through 2, we need parents to be in close proximity to the child so they can keep them on task and answer any questions they may have. Please don't allow your student to chew any gum or eat food in front of the camera. Try to minimize background noise as much as possible. When you stay muted, that will help with that as well. If you are attending any doctor's appointments or your child is sick and cannot make it to the Zoom, please inform us via text or email as soon as possible. Lastly, parent contact will be limited to 10:45 to 11:45 a.m. You may contact us through text, email, ClassDojo, or phone during that time. That is our planning period, and we're going to be busy during the day. I now want to show you how to complete steps on how to log in the SSO portal, get to their Google Classroom, and then lastly how to generate a Google Doc. Alright, so they will need to go to SSO portal. They're going to put in their login information. Parents, if you don't have their login information, please contact your teacher and they will send it to you. So you're going to sign in the SSO portal. This is the Google Classroom app. They'll need to go to Google Classroom. And if they have not yet accepted their invite from their teacher to their classroom, they will need to do so here. They would just simply hit the join. So we're going to have Mondays and Thursdays, Tuesdays and Fridays, and Wednesdays. Parents, if you're not aware yet, Mondays and Thursdays will be ELA and Social Studies, Tuesdays and Fridays will be Math and Science, and Wednesdays will be PE Health. Just a quick little overview, your students should know this. When they go to a class, they will hit classwork, and this is going to be all of their assignments that are due. It'll have the due date over here. If they click on it, you can see if it's turned in. If it still says assigned, it's not turned in yet. As a virtual team, we will be sending out a checklist on ClassDojo each day of the list of assignments your child has due that day so that you can simply check them off and know what your child has to do. As for creating a Google Doc, if it's inside Google Classroom for an assignment, you can hit View Assignment, and then down here you can hit Add or Create. You can add any link or file or anything from your Google Drive, or you can create new. So if your child needs a new document to type on to turn in for an assignment, this is where they need to go. View Assignment, come over here to Add or Create, and then go down to Create New Doc. It will create them a blank document that they can type on and then turn in. So here's my blank document that I can turn in, and make sure your child knows after they complete assignments, they have to hit Turn In or it's not going to come to their teacher. Make sure that your student knows all of this information and they are ready to go on Monday morning as we will be starting academics. Please make sure that you're aware of what group your child is in and what time they need to be aware for Monday morning. We look forward to a great school year. Thank you.